Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this absolutely beautiful 2019 Infiniti Q60 3.0 all-wheel drive, one awesome sport luxury coupe. This particular one, look at this, only 5,402 miles. Very, very low mileage for 2019. In July of 2023, most people average 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. You know, there's some people at one end of the spectrum that are retired. They don't drive that much. They don't put a lot of miles in a car. Sometimes vehicles like this, a stylish coupe, is not a vehicle purchased to be a daily driver. It's often, you know, something just driven on nice days. We actually acquired this vehicle from an estate. It looks like the previous owner did not drive it that much. So yeah, only 5,402 miles. It's a local clean Carfax vehicle in beautiful shape, obviously with only 5,000 miles. So if you're in the market for a Q60 coupe, this one is definitely worth looking at. It's absolutely stunning and very nicely equipped with features. We have a copy of the original build sheet over here. This one is very nicely equipped with features. Look at that. The original MSRP was $55,425. We have the Pro Assist package that was $2,250, giving you blind spot warning, backup collision intervention. You get an around view monitor with moving object detection, front and rear sonar system, and rain sensing wipers. Then we have a beautiful leather seating package that was $1,350. Then we have the Essential package that was $3,200, and that bundles in lots of what I guess call essential features. I guess to someone in a luxury coupe, like navigation with voice recognition, Infiniti InTouch services, power telescoping steering column, driver's seat power lumbar, and side bolsters, dual occupant memory seats for driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors. Then we have heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start, auto dimming outside mirrors with reverse tilt down function. And that's the majority of the big ticket features on this Q60. Obviously, being a luxury brand, it's going to have a lot of standard equipment already. But yeah, this one is very nicely equipped and only 5,402 miles at the time of making this video. So if you're in the market for a Q60, you like the color combination and options in this one, definitely well worth a look. Okay, so beautiful brushed aluminum interior. We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, steering effort, traction, stability control settings depending on which setting you have it at, snow, eco, standard, sport, and you can also personalize it. We have a 7-speed automatic transmission. It also has a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, you push it to the left, you push up the upshift, you pull back to downshift. It will give you rev match downshift for a sportier sound and feel. We notice that the Q60 has a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. We also have a 360-degree around view monitor, great for low speed maneuvering. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector here as well and drill down a little bit deeper if you wish to do so. All right, we have a Bose Performance Series audio system, memory seats as we mentioned. The Q60 is a made in Japan sport luxury coupe. Absolutely gorgeous design. I think it's one of the prettiest coupes in the road. You'll never be at a shortage of compliments when you own this gorgeous Q60 or one similar to it. The Q60 comes standard with rear wheel drive. Intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This one has the intelligent all-wheel drive, which goes nicely with this 300 horsepower twin turbo V6. Obviously, it's nice right now, but in the Pacific Northwest, we have wet, slippery roads quite often, so the all-wheel drive system will greatly improve your wet weather performance. And it's an intelligent all-wheel drive, so under normal driving conditions, like when it's dry like this, it will be 100% rear-wheel drive unless you overwhelm the wheels with power. Then it will very quickly, in a matter of milliseconds, send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. The all-wheel drive system is called a Tesla, which stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for all terrain. So obviously improve your performance and traction in the wet, and it also improve it in the dry. It's a racing inspired all-wheel drive system. We've been using this all-wheel drive system in Infiniti products for close to 20 years. Even earlier than that, it originated from an early version of the R32 Skyline. This all-wheel drive system helped the R32 Skyline lead to many racing success. So that's why it is a racing inspired all-wheel drive system. It's no gimmick, it's the real deal. And just take this thing through some corners in the wet or dry and you'll be amazed at how this thing does. 300 horsepower, beautiful body, Very nice coupe of features, low miles. This Q60 is very well worth a look. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon and have a wonderful day.